How to conduct a keyword research. Ever wondered how digital marketers find the right words people are searching for? That's where keyword research comes in. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do keyword research step by step. First, let's start with the types of keywords. Short tail keywords are broad, like shoes or skincare. They have high search volume, but also a lot of competition. Then we have long tail keywords, like best running shoes for women or anti-aging cream for dry skin. These have lower search volume but are way more specific and usually bring better conversions. So I always try to balance both. Okay, let's make this practical. Say I'm working on a skincare brand. My seed keywords would be simple ones like face cream, serum, and skin brightening. Now, if I go into Google Keyword Planner and type face cream, it might suggest best face cream for dry skin, anti-aging face cream, oil-free face cream for acne. If I type serum, I'll get ideas like vitamin C serum, hyaluronic acid serum, serum for glowing skin. And if I type skin brightening, I'll see keywords such as skin brightening cream for women, natural skin brightening products, best skin brightening cream for dark spots. You can see how broad seed words slowly turn into more specific long tail keywords that people are actually searching for. First, go to Google Ads. You don't need to run ads, just create a free Google Ads account. Once you're in, click on the Tools and Settings icon on the top right, and under Planning, select Keyword Planner. Now here's the trick. Don't just look at volume. I focus on three things: search volume, how many people search it monthly; competition, is it easy or hard to rank, run ads for; top of page bid, shows how much advertisers are paying per click, great for PPC campaigns. For example, skin brightening cream for dark spots may not have as many searches as vitamin C serum, but it's less competitive and super targeted. And that's how you conduct keyword research with Google Keyword Planner. Start with seed words, check volume and competition, and refine your list to find the best opportunities. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.